got the GOVEE RGBIC 3D wall lights. These lights right here, they are cross-plane placementable. These lights right here, you can go from wall to wall to wall to ceiling to down everywhere. Look at that set right there. To achieve the design choice packaging, multiple set might be needed, but you can do so much with these lights, guys. Oh, we got the user manual. We got all these sticker pads right here. We got some alcohol wipes. All this to help you install these amazing RGBIC 3D wall lights. These are adhesive right here. These are strong adhesive, so you can stick the lights anywhere. Boom! Here's the light bar. You see there's a connection rod right here, so you can connect them. Back here, you have some adhesive, and this is Velcro. So the adhesive and Velcro is already there. Super easy to attach this on a wall. And then you see one end of a connection right here. The other end is right here, so they attach to each other. Oh, you have some levels right here. Your 3D levels, so you can measure the levelness of the lights. There's a GOVEE control. Oh, this is simple AC adapter. This will plug into your wall, and this will plug into the control. Control right here. This thing plugs together, and this is how your controller gets power. And this thing obviously plugs into your GOVEE lights. Boom! These are the connection rods that allow you to turn the angles. These are 2 angles right here. You have more angles right here. So you got different pieces. You have pieces that curve and turn. You have some pieces that curve right here. And you have more pieces that curve right here. So you have this piece right here that turns the angle up and down the wall. All these pieces connect, so you can go around the wall like this. You see right here? You see how these things connect like that? You can go from one wall to another wall. And from this piece, you can go up like this piece right here. You can go from here to up to here. Let me go this way inside this wall. And then from this wall, you can go up like that. You can see this is like 3D planar lights. You can build out your light. I can build them out kind of like this. So you can see how they're 3D, right? You get this piece to go out this way. And then we can get this piece right here to go this way. You see how the lights are 3-dimensional? They can build out any way you want. You got so many of these bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars right here. And underneath here, you have another bunch of bars. So you have a lot of these bars. You can do so much, but you can combine multiple sets together for your ultimate RGBIC 3D wall light set. We got another bar right here. We can probably connect it with this piece right here. And you see how everything is kind of connected. This thing should be installed on the walls. I'm just setting up right now for demonstration, but you can see how it's 3D, right? You can build out this way. You can build up that way. There's that set right there. You see how this is 3D? We have the remote control right here. We got the AC adapter right here. The other end of this is this piece right here. That will connect to the 3D RGBIC wall light. We're attaching this piece to one of the ends right here. You have some RGBIC. Look at this lights. The angles, the 3D-dimensional. So cool. And you can turn this around. You can do whatever angle you want. RGBIC GOVEE lights. Look at those angles right there, guys. This is a 3D wall light. RGBIC GOVEE 3D wall lights. These lights are 3-dimensional. They can go from plane to plane. GOVEE RGBIC 3D wall lights for the win. Oh, yeah.